block me everywhere, ghosting my story. Still seeing shadow moves, you ain't saying sorry. Heart on silent mode, I chalk it up to old ends. But you watching every move, fake faces in my friends. Another night scrolling, your name don't pop up, but I see the views climb, time to face what's stuck. Screenshots in the dark, reflections can't lie. I'm counting every bill, not the tears in my eye. Faking out a hurt, change in my hands. Swerving past my sorrow and dreams of advance. Told myself it's over, repeating that again. But you peek through the blinds, hiding in your own lens. I draw receipts like confetti at ends, but you picked them up cold, left forgotten a mess. You say we finished, but I see your story still told in the pixels and the pings and the days growing old. You block me everywhere, ghosting my story. Still seeing shadow moves, you ain't saying sorry. Heart on silent mode, I chalk it up to old ends. But you watching every move, fake faces in my friends. I'm living for the future, but my feet keeps you near. I laugh with my people, but your ghost's always here. Count another stack, try to do what I miss. Wrap my hurt in these bills, trade heartbreak for bliss. All these memories, flicker faded Polaroids I carry. On me in the background, presence always wary. Last read never, but you're here in disguise. Guess some stories linger long after their goodbyes. If you wanted closure, why hide behind a screen? Playing all these games, what's it really mean? Level up my hustle, new focus, new ends. But I see your reflection looping again. You block me everywhere, ghosting my story. Still seeing shadow moves, your waves, you ain't saying sorry. Heart on silent mode, I chalk it up to old ends. But you watching every move, fake faces in my friends. I'm fine on the surface, rain runs on my skin. Counting up the money, hiding what's within. Stories never vanish, they just replay in bands. Even blocked and parted, this chapter never ends.